Most of late Sheikh Zayed efforts started with Al-Ain. Most of his conservation, preservation and also protection started when he was the governor of Al-Ain. Sheikh Zayed Desert Learning Center, it's a new building which is coming with a new development of the site. It's around 8,000 square meter, which basically taking all UAE environment. It will help getting children and students to have better understanding of our desert, marine and heritage of UAE. Late Sheikh Zayed was well known not only locally or regionally but worldwide for his environmental and conservation efforts. To put his name on anything should be one of the best.
So we consider the openings and the building orientation.
In designing Sheikh Zayed Desert Learning Center, we followed the main principles of sustainability and Istidama guidelines. Efficient use of water, efficient use of energy, waste management, and culture and heritage aspects.
The center would be like the entrance of all the whole project. So it will show the efforts of Abu Dhabi when it comes to water conservation, when it comes to energy conservation, when it comes to the land use issues.
Substantial part of the building is submerged in the earth, which will minimize the difference between the external and internal temperature. We are using the core activation concrete in the building envelope to cool the building. We are also using local materials which will reflect the light from the exterior part of the building. Also, we are using photovoltaic to provide enough energy to use for the exhibit parts and emergency lighting.
Sheikh Zayed Desert Learning Center is in keeping with Istidama integrated design process guidelines in terms of approaching the infrastructure in an integrated manner from the supply side and the demand side for water, energy, and waste. Also considering local and sustainable material for the building envelope and the interiors.
We are focusing a lot on sustainability, and also we are focusing on how we can be a model for all Abu Dhabi projects. If you look to Istidama pillars, is focusing on environment, economy, socially and culturally. Istidama now is a benchmark in projects, but within next 5 years it would be a mandatory to fulfill the minimum requirement of Istidama, and that which really will lead us into a better sustainability as Abu Dhabi Emirate, and also it will fulfill Abu Dhabi government vision to be one of the top 5 governments.